Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, I usually talk about travel vlogs, but since there's this coronavirus lockdown happening nationwide and also worldwide, I thought I might share with you guys instead another interest of mine, which is basically plants. So as you can see here, I have plenty of plants. But one of the things that everyone keeps asking about, which I was posting in Instagram before, is about an avocado and how to grow it. Okay, so right here on the side is actually a more semi-mature avocado plant that I've grown. It came from an avocado fruit, obviously, and then eventually I got it into a small plant like this, and now I've gotten a really much more bigger mature plant right here, which I'm going to show you guys later on as well. So in this video, I basically want to show you just how to grow an avocado plant or small tree. I know that you guys might have seen in Google and everywhere else regarding how to grow an avocado using like that 3 toothpick technique into water, but I haven't found that quite effective. So I'm gonna show you what's been effective from my experience, so stick around. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing obviously that you need to do is get an avocado fruit. And that's the best, I guess, method of growing an avocado from a seed. If you eat avocado, then that's going to be really useful if you have them handy, but it will take a really long time to grow obviously, but it gives you the satisfaction of eventually growing something from a seedling. Once you've opened up that avocado, then usually you would get a seed, and as you can see here, the seed that I have is actually bare. Now usually when you open up an avocado, inside of it, the seed will actually be a brown color. Now what I found is that it's more effective to actually have that brown coating around it removed prior to you actually trying to germinate that seed. So I'll show you guys what I've been trying to do and what's been effective. So one of them is actually, I have here ready. There's this small tiny cup here with an avocado seed, and half of it, or just a tad bit of it, is exposed. Okay, so prior to it getting to here, usually I would put water and then probably sea salt or some sort of seaweed fertilizer, put the actual seed in. Okay, let that actually saturate for 24 hours, and then after that renew the water, throw all that seaweed fertilizer out, and then dunk the actual seedling in there just halfway through like that. So half water, half seed, as you guys can see, just being immersed, and then leave it there for, you know, until it starts to open up and break down, or rather not break down but open up. So as you can see here with this avocado seed, okay, this one has started to actually crack open in the middle, and as you can see there in the middle, it's not really as clear as you'd like it to be, but there's actually a small root system going on, and later on, once that root actually comes out at the bottom, there's gonna be a shoot of plant going up. Okay, so once that happens, then I'll be ready to plant that into the soil, and I'll show you guys an example of one that I have just put in the soil but have not let it root, like the one that I just showed you here. So there's this seedling here, okay? There's an avocado there, it's actually turned green. This is another way of doing it, so just putting it directly into soil. However, I found that if you do this technique, you need to make sure that the soil is moist all the time. Don't let it dry. The seed won't actually rot, so that's fine, but make sure that it's not damp and wet. Now eventually what you'll get is this. So as you guys can see here, okay, there's the avocado seed in the middle, and here is the shoot that actually came out. Alright, so this one, probably it took me around 2 months to 3 months to actually get it to this stage. So from that seedling that I just showed you here to planting it there till eventually having a shoot up here. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully grown it, and just make sure that if you are growing the avocado, that it's not within direct sunlight but in a bright room area, probably an east facing window where it can get morning sunlight. Now, eventually, if you do look after your avocado really well, it will eventually turn out to be like this. And this one, probably once I grow it much more larger, and maybe when we move to our house, then I might just be ready to plant this on our backyard. Now, because I live here in Melbourne, and apparently it really requires a lot of warm weather that's quite humid, I don't know if it is going to bear seeds. However, we'll just keep track of that in future. And if you want to really follow through with regards to how that's gonna go, then please subscribe to my channel, because I will post up a follow-up video in future if ever once we move to our house. We're hoping to move to our new house probably in 2 months. At the moment, it's still in the building process. So yeah, so if you want to grow an avocado from this to this, I hope that you guys will find those tips that I gave you useful. Alright, so that's about it. If you guys like this video, please click that like button. Please subscribe to see more of the videos that I make. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye and God bless.